Mama Quaba, Deba Agukensi, so Mavis have on your fair lady, a job lady. There papa bi na boso me die wo hia me a na wa frɛ me akoso ede meje so kama ede ama akwam de kronkron enene me de sports na ede ebre wo na aseda enkoma game park for ene boy chidom shronko se de sikedie abemu papa mamrantia na maba nyina edi bi se mayo anu kra twasen obi a enu nti wo se de na wo twen wo hwe nimu no pek 1 no aba ede ama papa bomodin a na chusu favorite number 51 to 36 netra na utwa na ye ready say excitement I be film I be on very lucky number no ebeba no wa prepare wo ho na wo dia only she eye mula no na utwa 1 to eye 1 Ghana cedis ekopim 350 Ghana cedis na we win be 2 times na we stake no so akokama ede ama was it dial star 946 ewo network ni nyina so na anase wo website no download the game park app na so ubetimi atwa wo hono www.gamepark.games.com na share live draw no ye de brew e wa Adom TV so anopa 9 a.m. ye de bi abrew 12 pepepe before our news ne beba no ne ye de draw ne ba so ato aso dia ma de to so miensa no nsia 6 p.m. news no before then na ye de eno so ato aso dia ma uti ekire uti TV ekire wo hwa Adom TV no na wankasa wadi kama na bibia konka say game park mula more pa na mechewa na is a National Lottery Authority for one science papa ema bibia consider enko enfama savida bonire kente ai womo ena esiesie ho kama ne International Women's Day ye ginemu edi amamu na me konsem no mu dia me nhase emfefi o man Ghana mu sanse nyame adoma enne ya ena African Games aya jesi yesre so kese pa ayede eba ama menyina mamman Africa mamman abepie mu abibi man abepie mu ha enya asem keto akra ya jesi ye nan so ye the official opening ceremony no ebe hye so enne ya ewo Legon Stadium enebeba so 3 p.m. pepepe nhye da ho kama President Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado wode atudwa se Ghana fo nyina nka mum ne womo a womo ba no amama e ba no yenhia womo wani gye so na womo mfa nsempa emfi Ghana enko
and to say how very welcome you are. We've gone to a lot of energy and expense to put up these games, and we've had strong support from you and encouragement, and the whole thing has now come to its climax. So we're hoping that the games will be successful, well patronized and well organized, and all of us will take the benefit from that, you as well as us here in Ghana. So I'm praying that everything goes well on Friday and onwards, and that we'll have spectacular games that people will remember about for generations to come. I have to congratulate each one of you for the input and for the work that has been done, especially Kwaku Asare, who's died and woken up several times on his way till today, but fortunately is now still alive at the end of the process. But it's good. Thank you very much for coming. All of you are very welcome.
Entina eho ensem do no na Dankwa Ekufuado president na motel ne kano na enne black satellite so ewo game papa ni nyina Africa Games ya womo ebo first game wa Accra Sports Stadium ewie ya eno ti coach a wogina womo anemu Desmond Ofei edin sembi atuja.
Of course, I think as a player, or it doesn't matter if it's the first team or the junior side, when every competition we go with the mindset of trying to achieve the ultimate goal, which is trying to win the tournament. So with our performance, and hopefully if we can reach far, I'm sure automatically we will obviously make sure that the image of Ghana is protected. And like I said before, it's game by game, and we are fully prepared to face Congo tomorrow. We start with Congo tomorrow. Every tournament is different, but of course we are playing at home. So expectations are high, and like I said before, the boys are ready. We are ready to give our very best, and then let's see how the tournament goes. But game by game, we'll be ready. There's no pressure. You know why? Because I think, like I said, we are fully prepared. We really have a good squad. Our boys are ready and hungry, so we don't feel any pressure. There's only one motivation. Motivation is that one, we are the whole hosting country. I think that's motivation enough. And secondly, we are the national under 20. We are Ghana. I think automatically we are very hungry and ready to deliver. So to be honest, we don't need any additional motivation. We just have to come and showcase our qualities and represent the nation as best as we can.
There are many people out there looking for this opportunity, and we, as we have been selected, we are much grateful for this opportunity, and we are ready to deliver and bring out the best. We are ready and we are fully prepared, and I will promise everyone that we will bring the trophy.
Thank you very much. Yes, of course, I think as a player, or it doesn't matter if it's the first team or the junior side, when every competition we go with the mindset of trying to achieve the ultimate goal, which is trying to win the tournament. So with our performance, and hopefully if we can reach far, I'm sure automatically we will obviously make sure that the image of Ghana is protected. And like I said before, it's game.
Say ensem no akopie mu nti no amanfo dodo na ye de eho ensem nyina be ma wo ewo eye multimedia ha ye be yi hu bibia de amount no eye na African Games no we de echi yenko fa yentu fa enko amano ne yenko hwe eye EPL fixtures no yenhwe na otwe ewie ye dia eba setie ewo eye La Liga no mu yemra of my Ghana mu ne yemhwe na otwe ewie ye so senia ye so ye fixtures no so etie eti na washene so ehu se Karela United echina memenda etne fieshia krobia metema kumasi asante kotokote kokoso na nanom na Accra Lions so atina Wafa Park so gakofe eshia eye Brekum Chelsea Nations FC tina Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex woni Midiema SC na ehye so na Bechem United na nafo so Gia Boa Park woni FC Samatex enua Emrantie no Stratman FC wotina Nana Komansa Park no woni Dreams FC ehye so na Adriana FC Nanamba Nana Ajima Bedu Park womone Legon Cities ene de ehye so na ubepiem Gold Stars say womaswa ye shepa papa ko bibie ni dance park 3 p.m. womotna on Great Olympics oligbogbo olimashi womo ede hye so na Hearts of Lions so at Nakpando Sports Stadium ne Real Tamale United Accra Hearts of Folk never say that until the bones are rotten nyankontom rantie no womo etufa akọ Wafa Park ho and womo kobo womo home so gakofe womo ne bofaka tano ena ede ebe hye so say ena fixtures nitie ensem kakra me international producers eboaboa no ema me de brewo ene International Women's Day yini na aseda biem enko efama game park for womo ene boye chidom shonkopa buntwa wo de abomodin netwa 9 emboye 89 bebo no na yede ehon sem be brew ewo Adom TV so no won be bobo no na wo so wadi bi no wenya bibi kama na bibia ako enkan na utwadia o say *946 hash ewo all networks so and I say me patcho download the one website no ewo game park app ne so www.gameparkgames.com and I say share draw no live sana makacho no 9 a.m. the first draw no ebe bro 12 o'clock area yes also at the second draw no ebe bro na 6 p.m. pepepe ye de aka no so e de abro na bibia konka game park o se momula more pa na shene so say National Lottery Authority for womo agiatum na mom undi 18 years entwebi na eno so ho ensem no na makacha say eye busumi die eye Ghana month eni ti uhia me a utime frɛ me akosi edi akwamu de sekronkron meje so kama e de amount me pacho bomodin a naji wonsuo papa bi na tena wakonwa ho na tena TV no ho na enne ensenkyere ne aye be yi a kyerɛ mo san sɛ eye International Women's Day e ma so no a wo fi ha e na etena se ne ye de bedwam nsɛm ne nyina e de abrew na me pacho emfa osan kan fidie no me da ase